how to change Facebook name. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name within the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, all we need to do is open up the Facebook app, then open the menu by selecting the menu button in either the bottom menu on an iPhone, or if you're on an Android phone, the menu will be at the top. So select the menu button. Then once in the menu, select the gear for settings. And then in the settings, find Account Center and select See More in Account Center. Once here, simply select Profiles, then select your Facebook account. After that, select Name. And then in here, we can change our name. So all you need to do is edit the fields for first name, middle name, or last name. Keep in mind, you can only change your name every 60 days. So if you change it, you won't be able to change it to another name for 60 days. So go ahead and change the name, then select Review Change. It's going to give you a preview, and then you can choose how you want your name displayed. Go ahead and select Save Changes. And then as you can see, the new name will be saved and displayed on Facebook. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.